We all know new iPhone series is coming in September just like every year. Today I've got something special for you. We have latest update on iPhone 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max batteries. This leak confirms the battery capacities of the Pro and Pro Max variant and also the new charging capabilities. And little bonus that we have new color leaks as well. We have already seen the renders and also dummy units as well. As the month of September is coming close and close, leaks are getting stronger as well. Well, if we take a look at the last year's iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max batteries, then iPhone 15 Pro had 3274 milliamps of battery, while 15 Pro Max had 4441 milliamps of battery. And no doubt that these are the best performing phones in terms of battery and other factors in mobile phone industry. Even the 3 years old 13 Pro Max is giving very tough competition to other smartphone makers in terms of battery, camera and performance. Now let's talk about the batteries for the iPhone 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max. The iPhone 16 Pro is set to come with a 3577 milliamps of battery, which is a 9% increase from last year's model. Meanwhile, the 16 Pro Max will feature a 4676 milliamps of battery, a 5% increase from 15 Pro Max from last year. This is a significant upgrade, especially considering the already insane performance of the 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. And Apple coming up with more advanced and upgraded batteries in their successors, then no doubt the competitors like Samsung is already on tough competition with Apple. In addition, the iPhone 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max are rumored to offer 40 watts of wired charging and 20 watts of MagSafe wireless charging. This is a noticeable improvement from the 27 watts wired and 15 watts wireless charging capabilities of the iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. We also have some color leaks from reputable leaker Sony Dixon. According to the leaks, the iPhone 16 Pro Max will be available in white, black and grey. Additionally, Max rumors have posted that the iPhone 16 Pro will reintroduce the rose color and 16 Pro Max may come in a new bronze color. Well, these were all the new expected colors, but for now the mostly confirmed are these three just. Still, there is a 1.5 month till the official launch. Let's see what we get more in this time period. I'll keep you all updated and I'll see you in the next one.